Introduction. Welcome to this video where we will be discussing how to make money online in 2023. As we move further into the digital age, there are now more opportunities than ever to earn money from the comfort of your own home. In this video, we will cover some of the best ways to make money online in 2023, so let's get started. 1. Online freelancing. One of the best ways to make money online in 2023 is through freelancing. Whether you are a writer, designer, programmer, or marketer, there are plenty of opportunities available online for freelancers. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are just a few examples of platforms where you can find freelance work. All you need to do is create a profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on jobs. 1. Affiliate marketing. Another great way to make money online in 2023 is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services on your website, blog, or social media channels and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique referral link. You can sign up for affiliate programs with companies like Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale, and start promoting their products to your audience. 1. E-commerce. E-commerce is another excellent way to make money online in 2023. You can start an online store on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, and sell products directly to customers. You can also use drop shipping to sell products without having to hold inventory, or even sell digital products like ebooks or online courses. 1. Cryptocurrency trading. Cryptocurrency trading is becoming an increasingly popular way to make money online in 2023. With the rise of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, there are now more opportunities than ever to invest and trade in these digital assets. However, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved before diving into this field. 1. Online investing. Finally, online investing is another way to make money online in 2023. With the rise of investment platforms like Robinhood, Stash, and Acorns, it's now easier than ever to invest in stocks, ETFs, and other assets online. However, just like with cryptocurrency trading, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved before investing your money. Conclusion. There you have it, 5 of the best ways to make money online in 2023. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or build a full-time business, there are plenty of opportunities available online. Remember, it takes time and effort to succeed in any online venture, so be patient and stay committed to your goals. Good luck!